Good morning, YouTube. What's up? It's Brian back with another video. We out here at the Circle K on Tower Road in Gainesville, Florida. About to get ready to go put it down. We got quite a bit to do today. We are going to be over. We got the government vehicles to do today. Yeah, just waiting on my guys. Got Mikhail popping out of the store over there, and we waiting on Slow Joe, cause Joe knew he came to the store. Now he wanna run back in the store when it's time to go. You ready? Good to go?
Yeah.
Mikhail. Yeah. Mikhail got him some cutty last night, so he ready to go to work. He say he get it every day. My boy. Be like that. It definitely be like that.
You know, I can't stay away with you. Be like, you leave one day and then I gotta come back.
Alright, man. Y'all know we be cutting up, but we is definitely on our way. I'm looking for people to hand these cars to. Huh? No, I'm okay. I just had dang, what I have? My fruit, protein shake, and got me some water.
I like that.
So, you know what I'm saying? Trying to lose a little bit of weight so I can be able to whatever I need to do. We good to go. You know what I'm saying? Gotta stay fit, ready. Most definitely. I'm out here like a predator trying to give people business cards so we can get some more business. But hey man, it's a beautiful day. The sun's out, traffic's out, and y'all just need to stop so we can clean y'all cars. And that's what we on. Winning Edge Carwash. What's up, y'all? We on the job site. We back over here doing these like fleet of vehicles for a company. We working on getting set and ready right now. Got my boy Mikhail, Joe, yeah, my boy. Man, I really appreciate these guys. They really turning Winning Edge Carwash into the dream that I have, and it's about to get bigger. You gotta keep dreaming out here in these streets for real. But this is what we doing, you know what I'm saying? My daddy, he taught me how to work hard and to go get it, you know what I'm saying? Started out trying to get an RC car, breaking up leaves in the yard. Now I got my own company with my guys to help me out, you know what I'm saying? And we trying to build something great for all our families. That's what we out here doing. See some people over here. But we gotta go making it happen. Look at Mikhail, always jamming and stuff. About to make it happen. So this is what we doing. We out here. We about to do like 5 cars at this location. They all like basic details, but we putting a little twist on them, getting them right. Charging them $100 a piece per car. I don't know. I'm probably gonna do some like little ripping and running and stuff. I got a lot of stuff to do on the computer, so about to hop back in the little office in the Nissan. My mobile office normally, but just been grinding, man. Gotta keep grinding, stay out here, stay on it, you know what I'm saying? Like with every like test, trial, and tribulation, and you know, people that be trying to get you or whatever, it be so much like good that come along with it. But you know what they say, more money, more problems, all that good stuff, you know. But hey, anywho, I'm excited, man. Like today is a good day. We got a lot on the schedule. I gotta take care of a couple things in my life that need to get paid for. So, you know, you make the money, you spend it on some bills, and you try to invest it to get some more. And that's what I'm on. So we're trying to figure this thing out. So, but hey man, y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so you can get all our videos, all that good stuff. Hey, tell a friend, that type of thing. So we trying to really grow and show y'all, you know, what it is. I mean, the main thing about my channel, what I'm trying to do is just show people, hey, you can call on us to get the best car detail in town. You can learn about entrepreneurship, You can see the importance of family, and you also get to see me become a pilot, that type of thing. So I haven't been flying lately because I've been focusing on studying my flight material so I can pass my written exam. But definitely looking forward to getting back into the plane soon so I can get some more hours and stuff to get my license. So definitely want to get airborne. But and we good out here. Y'all check us out. Well, I'm gonna go work on a couple things that I need to get worked on at the moment on the computer, and we're gonna keep moving forward. Y'all be, y'all stay tuned, man. It's Winning Edge Carwash. What's up, y'all? We getting it done. It's the middle of the day, so almost 1 o'clock. Guys been out here working hard. They actually had 6 vehicles over here that we did back to back, or it's like a little fleet. But they're getting this Jeep finished up currently right now. So I've been doing a little bit of ripping and running today. I had some business to take care of outside of Winning Edge Carwash. Well, pretty much still for Winning Edge Carwash, so I can keep everything operating the way that it need to go. So just sitting here trying to clean my truck up and stuff as we go along. I came and hooked the trailer back up. And these guys are gonna be ready to go to the next job. The next job is, I don't know, the guy couldn't really give me a full explanation on the details and stuff, so we ain't really come up with like a package that I'm for sure that we're gonna be doing when I go see him. So, have my knife today. I don't know where I set my knife down there, but I lost my knife. That's like my other hand, and I need something sharp. But we gotta find it, because that was my good knife, and I had it last night. I don't know where I put it at. Going stuff in the trash. Cool. But I got a little scared a moment ago too. The generator, it went down, but I think it just kind of overheated because of the way that the sun, they done had a good shady spot like the whole day, but that sun just started, it shifted and like it's beating down on the generator. So like when you out here and you working with these generators and stuff, if they're in the direct sunlight, you need to like hit them with the pressure washer from time to time, because it's not water cooled, it's air cooled. So if it's just sitting there, it's just getting hot, and eventually, you know, just shut down. So I sprayed it with some water, got it back in a cool state, and now it's good. I'm about to check in with the customer, because like I say, as soon as they're done with this one, we got like a little 15-minute drive to the next one. So it's all in the same vicinity. But basically what I'm doing is just keeping everything straight, lined up, and getting more jobs lined up for the next day, and trying to figure out how we can expand to like different cities and stuff. So I'm just basically trying to duplicate myself and be in more than one place at one time. So I come to the job sites, but I tell you guys, I'm like, look, just act like I'm not here. Even though I'm here, you know, when I'm here, I'm definitely looking and trying to like supervise and make sure everything's going right or whatever. But they don't really need too much more supervision, because they got the packages and stuff down pat. The customers are like really happy with what they're working with. So my goal is to get even more work, so I can split them two up and give them a guy, you know, that they can train, and then we'll just keep multiplying like that, you know what I'm saying? But I got a lot of stuff that that's coming for Winning Edge Carwash, a lot of other businesses. Like I say, I want to tap into a lot of things, but in due time. This young is stressful, man. Being an entrepreneur is tough, because every day your brain is like seeing all this potential, but then you got to work on how you put it all together to make it work. And then when it ain't working, that's another stress factor. And then you got outside people doing certain things to you that makes it more stressful. And then, you know, sometimes you do have people, like, I mean, with my guys, they are the ones that help, you know, keep things together, you know. So, hey, man, if you pray, stay prayed up. If you don't pray, God is what's helping me to keep my life, this business together. So I thank him again. So yeah, that's the best advice I could give you if I was gonna give you any advice. All right, what's up, YouTube? This is one of them days where I get aggravated and I jump in. Not that my guys did anything wrong, but it's like one of them difficult situations where the customer don't exactly want to give me what it's worth. So I gotta go ahead and just jump in, knock this out real quick, make it look good for what he want to pay. So I'm gonna show y'all what I mean here in a second, but I'm just getting ready, man. You know me, jump out of the truck like Superman. So what we got is these seats with the stains on it. He spilled coffee all in the cup holder area, and he got stains everywhere. And he has dog hair in here, all that good stuff. So my whole thing is, he don't want to pay what it's worth, but I feel like I can do something for him, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out real quick. So we on that. All right, y'all, I ain't mad no more. So got this car done probably in like 20-30 minutes. Shampooed it, did a little basic inside on it, and made it look good. So I'll show y'all why we the dream team. Every now and then I have to jump in. So got the panels right, got that carpet right, got them seats right, and we definitely got that cup holder area right. Y'all seen what that was looking like. So yeah, seats came out right in the back. Carpet is right. That's what we doing. So check it, you know what I'm saying? We got door panel on this side looking good. We got this side right here looking good. So hey man, like I say, so what made this job a little made me tender, I'm gonna say it like that, was because the customer seen that he had, you know, recommended pricing conditions, which was around like $200 or whatever. You know what I'm saying? And instead of like being honest and stuff like that, you know, get here and it's like you're trying to tell me what someone else is charging, and that ain't how it rolled. But at the end of the day, we did have drive time. We got over here. I had to make the best of it. I was able to get 125 out of him, and everything came out good. So I'm gonna get him out here, get that money, keep it pushing.